Have you ever wondered how some Americans are managing to protect their hard-earned retirement savings despite the massive inflation and economic uncertainty hitting the nation? The simple answer, a gold IRA. In this video, we're going to explore how shifting a portion of your IRA or 401k into a gold IRA can shield your wealth from rising inflation, market instability, and economic shocks. But don't just take my word for it. Let me share the story of someone just like you who's already making this powerful move. Meet Steve and Linda Thompson from Tampa, Florida. Steve worked as an executive for a tech company for over 30 years, while Linda ran a successful small business. Together, they had built a solid retirement portfolio, but they started feeling uneasy as they watched the economic landscape change. Inflation was eating away at their savings, and the news headlines were full of stories about banks failing, stock market crashes, and fears of another financial crisis. With over $1.2 million in their combined retirement accounts, Steve and Linda knew they needed a plan to safeguard their future, and that's when they discovered the power of a gold IRA. They learned that by rolling over a portion of their 401k into a gold IRA, they could convert their paper-based assets into precious metals, assets that have stood the test of time, providing a hedge against economic turmoil. But what does this mean for you? Gold has been a trusted store of value for thousands of years. Unlike paper currency or stocks, which can lose value quickly during times of crisis, gold holds its value. In fact, when markets tank, the price of gold tends to rise, making it the perfect asset to protect your wealth. You've likely seen the headlines about the US government's rising debt and the threat of inflation eating away at purchasing power. With this in mind, why take the risk of keeping your entire retirement in the volatile stock market or low-interest bonds? Gold gives you the opportunity to preserve your purchasing power, especially as the dollar weakens. Let's take a look at Steve and Linda's case. They rolled over $500,000 into a gold IRA, leaving the rest of their investments in stocks and bonds. Fast forward a few years, and their gold holdings have significantly appreciated, helping them weather the storm of market dips, rising inflation, and a fluctuating economy. Now, they're not just hoping their retirement funds will be there when they need them, they've actively safeguarded their future. They've also created a lasting legacy for their children, ensuring that their wealth is passed on without being wiped out by unpredictable financial crises. So how does this actually work? A gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals. You can convert your existing 401k or IRA into a gold IRA without tax penalties, as long as it's done through a qualified custodian. Once your funds are rolled over into a gold IRA, you can start buying physical gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. The gold you purchase is stored in a secure depository, and it's backed by actual physical assets, not just paper. This means that your retirement account is tied to tangible wealth, gold, that has a proven track record of rising in value during uncertain times. It's a smart, safe way to hedge against the risks that come with traditional retirement accounts. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but is it too late to make a change? Will the market be too volatile for me to make a move? Steve and Linda felt that same fear at first, but here's the thing. They realized that it was more about protecting their future than trying to time the market perfectly. They took the first step by talking to an expert who helped them understand how a gold IRA could fit into their broader retirement strategy. No pressure, no gimmicks, just a straightforward conversation to see if it was the right fit for them. And here's the best part. You don't have to figure this out alone. There are experts waiting to guide you through the process, just like Steve and Linda had. With a free, no-obligation educational call, you can learn how a gold IRA could work for you and your retirement goals. If you're ready to secure your future, just like Steve and Linda did, click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your no-obligation call. There's no pressure, no sales gimmicks, just one-on-one education to help you make the best decision for your retirement. You've worked hard to build your retirement, and now it's time to protect it. Whether you have 100K or millions in your IRA or 401k, a gold IRA can help preserve your wealth for the next generation. Don't wait for the next financial crisis to hit before you take action. Protect your savings today so you can retire with peace of mind, knowing that you're making the smartest move for your future. Click the link below and take the first step towards securing your wealth today. The clock is ticking. Your future depends on it.